Yo, what's up, fellas? We're back here on the channel with Brzezicki Brothers Performance, putting in some work. So we got the SPE lockout system all buttoned up, and we're gonna take a look at what it's looking like. So let's get right to it. So we got the lockout system, cradle, differential, end links. I think they consider it the stage 3 kit. It comes with everything. And then while we were in here, we spray detailed some of the parts off, clean it up a little bit. So this is what it's looking like. It's looking pretty sweet. The bracket, the bushings, the end links, bushings on this side, and then the differential bushings, which the directions are pretty good, but they should do the differential first, because I had everything together and you got to drop it back down to get to some of these bolts. So this one was the hard part over here. You could see the bushing up in there, it's tucked up in there. Now it's 2 bolts instead of 1. So let me show you that. So you could see that bolt right there. Well, it was 1 single bolt going through, holding the differential on the cradle. Well, now that we put the lockout system in, they supply the new bolts. So you got 1 bolt on this side now and another bolt on this side. Same with back here. It was only 1 bolt. This was pretty simple to do, these back ones. 1 bolt went through there, tightened down, and they supplied the new hardware. You just take the bolt out, slide that, put that metal bushing in, slide it in, pop it in, and then put the bolt in and tighten them down, torque them all down. Those were probably the most painful ones to do, was the differential ones. Which the directions are great. You can see how it shows you the new hardware. Explains everything. Same for the cradle. This one's pretty simple. Like I said, the differential one was only the one that was a little bit harder. So we'll get the old hardware, and some of the old bracketry and end links will get boxed away. Take a look on this side. Like I said, the cradles is a pretty simple install. You just put the jack under the rear end, or if you want to do one side at a time, you can do one side at a time. And you lower it down. That top metal bushing just slides right on top, sits right on top. The bottom metal bushing just slides right over, only goes on one way. Jack back up, put the bolts in, and you're good to go. Tighten them down, torque them all down. I think all the bolts get torqued to 130 foot-pounds per the directions, and then These two little ones get torqued to 40 foot-pounds. Said the top bushing, the metal bushing, slides right in there. Pretty basic and easy. Same with the end links. You can see you got the SPE on everything, just pretty cool. Now, like I said, it would have been pretty cool if these were like anodized orange or something, but the red matches the calipers. It's not too bad. It's looking pretty sweet. Looking pretty sweet. Next thing on the agenda, this factory exhaust is gonna be no more. I think it's all basically one piece from right there all the way back. So here in a little bit, me and my brother are gonna tackle it, get most of the exhaust off. Come down here, get up in there, remove the headers, because long tubes are going in. This exhaust is going to be no more. That's the next step. But for now, I hope you guys like what you're seeing. We got the, like I said, the SP lockout kit installed. We're gonna be getting more content coming, so stay tuned and keep hitting that like, share, and subscribe button. And we're gonna get at you. So till that next videos, peace.